Realtors and team leaders, what if I told you you can use AI to predict in the next 6 months which people in your database and sphere will be looking to buy or sell? Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Derek, and for those who don't know, I've been in real estate for over a decade now. I don't know where the time has gone. I am a team leader with realtors across the globe that I help train and educate on objection handling, social media, building their business, and now using AI. And today we are going to be talking about using predictive AI to find out who you know is going to be looking to buy and sell. All right, so what is this tool and how does it work? So tools like Revaluate AI is a predictive AI tool that looks at over 200 data points to figure out who is most likely going to be moving and selling their home in the next 6 months. They look at data points like school changes, mortgage age, income shifts, and even things like online behavior. So if they're typing things into Google or frequently visiting things like Zillow or real estate platforms, this predictive AI will know, and it's going to help you target. Let's get into it. Make sure you stick around to the end because we're going to be talking about how this will change your business. And please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Helps keep me motivated and keep coming at you guys with valuable information that will change your business. So back to Revaluate. So Revaluate will look at your entire database. So hopefully you've been in the game a while. If you're a team leader, you have thousands of people in your database. It will evaluate everybody in that database with 70% accuracy. So it's not perfect yet. As with all AI, it's still new, but it's going to look at everybody in your database and target which ones are most likely to move within the next 3 to 6 months using these data points. Revaluate says it's been trained to do this, analyzing millions of households. So the one thing I really do like is the online behavior, because again, if they're visiting things that will likely stand out to you, that means they're more likely to move and be a warm to hot lead. So if you're like me and you've been in business for a decade or longer, you probably started your business doing old school methods such as cold calling, door knocking, sending out mailers. Oh my God, what a time suck, and these things are so antiquated. With the advent of social media and AI, we can scale your business in just a nanosecond of what it used to be. So Revaluate AI is going to help you do this. It's going to target 15% of your database that is most likely to move within that time frame of 3 to 6 months. Then you can use effective directive marketing and outreach through calls, text messages, emails. Even if you're running ads, you can now target your ads to get in front of them, which is going to help obviously keep you at top of mind, but also if you haven't touched point them in a while, this is going to help you do that. So once you get the results from Revaluate, I would obviously start my outreach, first placing a call and then sending text. But you can also automate all your follow-ups using AI. We've talked about AI tools that do this. I can link that video up here. But Revaluate works pretty dang well. Agents that are using it have reported closing up to 5% more than what they were doing before, just using this specific tool. Okay, so how are you going to get this done and start using Revaluate as a tool? So you're going to upload your database. If you've been in business like I have, hopefully you have thousands of leads or thousands of contacts in your database. The more you have, the better results are going to be, obviously. But you're going to upload that into Revaluate, and then Revaluate is going to green flag the top like 7 to 15% of which ones are most likely to move, again, based off the criteria that we talked about. Then that's going to sync with your database. So it works with Follow Up Boss. We have KV Core, which will soon change. Other CRMs out there. It will sync with these platforms, and then you can set up triggers. The high scorers will get text messages and also ringless voicemails. The mid-tier will get set up on campaigns and email drips. And hopefully you can set up your market dates to go out to these people as well. So again, you're staying at top of mind of all channels, not just calls and texts, emails, but linking them to your social media pages. So the most important thing about this is not only are you going to close more and get more listings, but it's also going to help you generate more buyers. Obviously, as you know from being in business a while, or even if you're a newer agent, agents that have listings often generate 2 or 3 more buyers that come with that. So according to data, when using predictive AI and outreaching these homeowners, they are 45% more likely to respond than doing cold outreach or old school methods that we used to do. So obviously that's better for you, but another huge point is that team leaders and realtors using predictive AI can shorten their sales cycle on average of 45 days. So I don't know about you, but I like getting paid quicker and shortening that sales cycle up, and again, spotting things before my competition does. So predictive AI is a game changer for your business. In 2025 and beyond, if you're not using AI or predictive AI to automate your business, free up a bunch of time, and just start doing things at scale, you are going to be falling behind. If you want plug and play systems that Mike Sherrard and my team and everybody across the globe in our organization is using to scale at a rapid pace, go ahead and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, where we talk about all things AI and how to better your business and scale it quicker. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.